Easy home workouts for beginners to stay fit. Staying fit does not always require going to the gym or using expensive equipment. Many effective workouts can be done right at home, making fitness accessible for beginners who want to start a healthy lifestyle. Easy home workouts are simple, convenient, and can help improve strength, flexibility, and overall health without requiring much space or time. One of the biggest advantages of home workouts is convenience. You can exercise whenever it fits your schedule without traveling to a gym. This makes it easier to stay consistent with your fitness routine. Even 20 to 30 minutes of exercise at home each day can bring noticeable improvements in energy, strength, and endurance. For beginners, bodyweight exercises are a great starting point. These exercises use your own body weight as resistance and are very effective for building strength. Common examples include push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and jumping jacks. These movements target diff.